Imagine you've just grabbed the last chocolate chip cookie out of the cookie jar, and before you can take a bite, it falls to the floor. 5-second rule, right? You reach up, grab it, take a big bite, and in that moment, you are exposing your intestine to millions of potentially harmful bacteria. And yet, you don't get sick. That's because the cells lining the inside of your intestine, which are called intestinal epithelial cells, form a really important barrier against oncoming bacterial invaders. These cells you can think of like the high walls outside a castle, and they keep bacteria out. Even more interesting, these cells can sense danger, and when they do, they raise a flag-like molecule on their surface, which you can think of as a danger flag. When this danger flag is raised, this tells your body's army of white blood cells to come to this site and defend against oncoming bacterial attackers. Now, there is one molecule inside the nucleus of your cell, or in the command center of your castle, which is in charge of raising this danger flag. You can think of it as the flag raiser molecule. Now, we know how the flag raiser works when your cells are defending against bacterial invaders, but we don't know what keeps this flag raiser in check when your cells are healthy. To make this even more complicated, your intestine is constantly under metabolic stress, and we have no idea how metabolic stress influences the flag raiser. So I study how metabolism in the intestine regulates the flag raiser molecule. To do this, I take intestinal cells and plate them in little dishes under conditions of metabolic stress, with and without a danger signal. I then measure the amount of flag raiser activity inside the cell, and I look at the surface of the cells to see how many of the cells are raising that danger flag. What I have found is that there's a hero to our story. You can think of it like a knight in shining armor. This knight molecule also lives in the nucleus of the cell, and it physically prevents the flag raiser molecule from raising the danger flag when your intestine is healthy, even under conditions of metabolic stress. Understanding the relationship between the flag raiser and the knight will help us better fine-tune your danger flag raising and regulate your intestinal immune response. So the next time you eat a cookie off the ground and you don't get sick, be sure to thank your intestinal cells and your flag raiser molecule. Thank you.